Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the feminine traits that will make him obsessed with you. Many men associate femininity with certain traits such as kindness, empathy, nurturing. Many men find feminine women attractive because they embody traits that complement their own, such as a more assertive or dominant partner being drawn to a more submissive or nurturing partner. Why are feminine traits so attractive to men? Feminine traits are often associated with qualities such as warmth, kindness, empathy, nurturing, and emotional intelligence. These are all positive qualities that can make someone really attractive to others. Additionally, some men may find feminine traits attractive because they complement their own personality traits or preferences. But it's important to note that attractiveness is a subjective experience and it can vary greatly between individuals. Not everyone may find femininity attractive, and it's important for you to embrace and express your own authentic self rather than conform to societal expectations or trying to be something that you're not in order to attract a certain type of man. Now, ladies, remember, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Number 1. Emotional intelligence. The ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as recognize and respond to the emotions of others, can be very attractive. Becoming more emotionally intelligent involves developing a greater understanding and awareness of one's own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It's also about learning to manage and express your emotions in a healthy and a constructive way. You're probably wondering, how can I become more emotionally intelligent? Now, ladies, remember, we are not professionals. We are just women that have been through a lot, and we just want to share some of the lessons that we've learned with you. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions. It's also about recognizing and responding to the emotions of others. So how can you become more emotionally intelligent? Try to practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your own emotions and reactions to different situations. Try to identify your emotional triggers and understand how you typically respond to different situations. Try to develop empathy by putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing things from their perspective. This can help you understand their emotions and respond in a more empathetic way. And don't forget to practice active listening. When someone is talking to you, make a conscious effort to listen attentively and really hear them. To become more emotionally intelligent, try to manage your emotions. Learn techniques for managing your own feelings, such as deep breathing, visualization, or taking a break from a situation that is causing you to feel overwhelmed or upset. Practice emotional regulation. Try to develop strategies for regulating your emotions, such as reframing negative thoughts, focusing on positive aspects of a situation, or engaging in activities that make you feel good. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill that can be developed over time with practice and effort. Which brings us to number 2, compassion. Compassion is a trait that many men are attracted to. It's a deep awareness and understanding of the suffering of others, coupled with a desire to alleviate their pain and offer support. It involves feeling empathy and concern for someone who is experiencing physical or emotional suffering and taking action to alleviate their suffering in some way. This is why men love women who exhibit this beautiful trait. Compassion is associated with kindness, empathy, and understanding. A feminine woman will recognize the humanity in others and treat them with kindness and understanding, regardless of their circumstances or actions. They will be present for others in their time of need and show them that they are not alone. Number 3, gracefulness. Moving in a fluid and elegant manner with poise and confidence can be seen as very attractive. Number 4, nurturing. Being caring and supportive of others' well-being and growth can be an attractive quality. If you want to be more nurturing, meaning you want to care for and support the growth and development of your man, you can try to be more present. One of the most important aspects of nurturing is being present for others. This means taking the time for them, being there for them when they need you. Your man is probably working really hard every day, and he will need you for some emotional support. So try to be present for him. Express your love and appreciation. Nurturing involves showing your man that you care for him and appreciate him. This can involve expressing gratitude, offering compliments, or just simply showing affection. Remember that nurturing is a skill that can be developed over time with practice and effort. Start small by reaching out to your man who may need support or offer a lending hand to him. Over time, you can develop your nurturing side and you can become a more supportive and caring partner. Number 5, speaking softly. Speaking softly is an attractive trait to many men. When you want to convey a calm or soothing tone, or when you are in a quiet setting, you want to be able to just speak softly to the person that you love and care for. If you want to learn how to speak more softly, try to practice breathing deeply. Take a few deep breaths before speaking, which can help you relax and speak more softly. Speak slowly. You can better control the volume and tone of your voice when you do this. Try to use a lower pitch. Speaking in a lower pitch can help you speak more softly and with a calmer tone. Relax your muscles. Relax your facial muscles and your throat when speaking. This can help you speak more softly and with less tension. Try to speak from your diaphragm. You can better control your breathing and speak with a softer voice. Remember that speaking softly is a skill, and this can be developed over time. Remember, ladies, men may be drawn to women who exhibit these feminine qualities as they may feel that they would make good partners and caregivers. They may also be attracted to physical aspects of femininity, such as soft features, long hair, or a curvy figure. These physical attributes are often associated with femininity and may be seen as attractive to some men. It's important to note that feminine qualities is not going to be for everybody. The important thing is that you exhibit your true self.